Or later.
Gonna take it now or you gonna take it later?
What?
What you gonna take?
What? I kind of want to go to the Yamaha shop. The Suzuki shop.
Why?
Because it's freaking awesome.
I think they're
Look
open
around
now.
and stuff that you can't
3
buy.
o'clock. I think they close at 12 up here.
What? It's Saturday. They should be open till like 8.
Everything
No.
closes.
Well, 6 or 5.
Closes early.
Everything closes up here. They don't even open up on Sunday.
Sounds legit. Well, ours isn't open on Sunday or Monday because they go to they go to River Valley and stuff and ride. Dad, does your side burn? Can it be replaced?
Yeah.
What
Oh,
are
now
you
they want
talking
to
about?
speed up.
They can't be replaced.
What's the radio anyway?
They're going 50 miles an hour now, speed up. Blew up there.
They can't be replaced. Ups is behind us.
What?
I said Ups is behind us.
Who is?
Ups. 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 Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Thanks. Radio was.
I'm recording this.
Everybody's done it.